Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson, we're going to look at steps to check whether your Windows 11 computer, an NPU or a neural processing unit is a chip designed to speed up the process of AI tasks that usually comes inside of the CPU. Currently, we're in the early days of adoption, so not every computer has one. At the time of this video, the three major processor manufacturers, including Qualcomm, Intel, and AMD, offer NPUs inside of many of their processors. For example, you will find the NPU on the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite and Plus CPU, as well as on Intel Core Ultra 200V series and the AMD Ryzen AI 300 series processors. Okay, let's dive into the steps. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. First, we're going to check if your computer has an NPU using Task Manager, which is the easiest way to do this. To start, open the Start menu and look for Task Manager and open the app. Then go to Performance, and if your computer is equipped with an NPU, you will find it right here on this page. In this particular case, I have a Qualcomm NPU, and here are the details for that specific chip. Now, you can also check using Device Manager. And to do this, open Start and look for Device Manager, and then open the app. In here, just look for Neural Processors and expand. And in here, you're going to see exactly the NPU that is currently installed on your computer. Now, if you want to see more details about the NPU, just right click on it and select the properties option. And from here, you can see the manufacturer, device type, location, and you can also see the driver version, among other details. One thing that I wanted to point out is that the labeling that you will find on Device Manager also is going to depend on the manufacturer. For example, on Intel processor, you might find the Intel AI Boost, and that will tell you that your computer has an NPU. Now, if you have an AMD processor, then you're also going to find the NPU labeled as an AMD IPU device. And usually, this is going to be under the PCI Express root port section. Now, if you recently purchased a computer and it's actually labeled as a Copala Plus PC, then it is likely that it already has an NPU. Also, you can check the CPU manufacturer to confirm if the processor includes an NPU. For example, if you go to this Intel website, we can go to the processors page. And then in this specific case, we need to go to the Ultra processors because those are the ones that include an NPU. And then we're just going to go to Series 2 and then just pick the processor that you have in your computer. If you don't know the processor that you have in your computer, just open Settings, go to System, and then on the About page, you're going to find the processor details right here. In my particular case, I have a Snapdragon processor from Qualcomm. Then select the processor, and the easiest way is just to go to the NPU specifications, and from here, you can see that this particular processor has an NPU. Now, if you happen to have an AMD Ryzen AI 300 series processor, as the name implied, because we have the AI on the branding, you can tell that that CPU includes an NPU as well. Now, I couldn't find any specific page like Intel has to show the specifications for CPUs, but in this particular page, we have a list of the AMD processors that include an NPU. And this particular NPU, they can go up to 55 TOPS. Now, if you're wondering what TOPS is, well, that stands for tera operations per second, and it is the metric used to quantify the performance of the NPU for AI tasks. And the number indicates the times of trillions of operations per second. So in this particular case, if this NPU can go up to 55 TOPS, so we're talking about 55 trillions operations per second for AI tasks. And that's it. Those are three different ways that you can use to find out if your computer has an NPU. Remember to leave a comment, like the video, share it, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.